Hello everyone, I am Teacher Casey and today I am doing an unboxing with the Good Fortune box. Ta-da! This was from the month of April 2020 and I got my box. It was not the company's fault. My address and the post office things were happening because of the virus, and I know the post office is backed up. So I got my box in and I'm very excited to share with you what came in the box this month. So let's go ahead and start. When I open the box, and I have not opened it yet, you can see there is paper and it talks about what's in the box and welcome to the community. I have not gotten a box yet, so this is my first one. You can see here it says created for online teachers by online teachers. Oh cool, they're amazing. I was talking to Sam because she was helping me through the whole shipping thing and she was very great about everything. So they're awesome and they will work with you. They're happy to help in any way they can. I am so excited that there are so many beautiful butterflies. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. So there's 1, 2, oh look at that, those colors. 3, 4, they're front and back. 5, 6, oh my goodness, 7, 8, 9, 10, oh my goodness, 10 butterflies. Oh, I think there's more. There is 11, and I think there are 12. There is, I see the 12th one, yes. So those are amazing. Those are free, not free, they came with the box. They're amazing though. They're butterflies and they are magnets. So, scooch over pizza. We can use them as rewards, or we can use them as props. We can use them for counting and colors. These are really wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. And look how beautiful they are. I know my girls, my student girls, are going to love, love, love this. And I love them already. Look at that. That one's my favorite. Then you get a shirt, my favorite color. Look at this. And it even says Teacher Casey. Oh, it's amazing. It's so amazing. I love it. Oh, that's beautiful. And then we have some tea. So this is Rishi Fairtrade Jasmine Green Tea. It's very popular in China since the Ming Dynasty. It is produced using an ancient technique of infusing jasmine blossoms with whole tea leaves. Eastern countries drink the tea for digestion, weight loss, heart health, and stress relief. Oh, so great for right now, especially. I know there's a lot of stress running high with many people, including myself. So I will gladly drink that tea and hopefully be a bit more stress-free. Thank you, Good Fortune box. Okay, and then there is it. You open it. It has, this is a lipstick. And look, there's a flower in there. Look how fun that is. A little tiny flower. So, I do have some lipstick on. But I want to try it. Ooh. So it's supposed to change. I've heard of these before, but I have not seen them. So what this lipstick does, it is right here, Crystal Jelly Flower Lipstick. So this moisturizing balm works with the temperature of your skin to display different shades, giving everyone's lip a unique color. So it's like a mood lipstick. It changes depending on your skin and the temperature of it. Very cool. I wonder what happens if it's cold versus warm. That'd be interesting to know. Maybe I'll research it later. But yes, very cool. And that's in such a fun little bottle. Look at that. And it's pink. So very cute, very fun. And then there are also some dry erase crayons. Look at those. Wow. And so with these, you can write on a whiteboard and it erases. Let's have a look and try it out. Okay, so I'm going to draw on the board with one of the crayons. I'm using blue because I love blue. Okay, so let's draw. I will draw maybe a happy face. Blue, blue, blue. There we go. And ta-da! Look at that. How fun. That's great. I've never heard of dry erase crayons. How fun. And then you can erase it. I usually use my hands to erase, but for this I might need a towel. You can erase it, so that's good. It is erasing. Cool, that's fun. Nice. What a fun addition to the box. Wow, I'm excited to use those in my classes. And these crayons, they will last as long as the crayon is there. So just like any other crayon, they will still continue to write. It's not like a marker where it might run out after a week or whatever, several hours of using it, then it's gone. But these crayons will last all the way up until you can't use them anymore. So how amazing. That's so fun. And I wanted to show you what my shirt looks like when it's on. So here it is, Teacher KASEY. So exciting. And I love the blue color. Oh, blue is an amazing color. This is like a sky blue color, so it's very fun and just bright. And it has some fun flowers on it. Oh, I love those colors. Wow. So yes, I'm so excited to wear my shirt in class. I am actually between classes now, so I'm going to wear this for the rest of my classes for the day. Yay! Thank you so much. This shirt is amazing, and you are too. That was my big unboxing. That was everything in the box. So, yay! Thank you, Good Fortune Box. Thank you, Rachel and Sam. You ladies are awesome, and I am so happy to be getting the Good Fortune Box. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!